A developer recently open-sourced KAS, and what's next for KAS? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around KAS. Let's talk about KAS Ultralight node open-sourced. A developer recently open-sourced KAS KASPA Ultralight node on GitHub. It's currently a research tool designed to validate the technical assumptions behind a key improvement proposal, KIP6, using real KASPA network data. This project is not a finished product, but represents active open-source development exploring future lightweight client solutions. Its success could pave the way for more efficient ways to interact with the KASPA network without running a full node. What this means: this is neutral for KAS as it's early-stage research, but it demonstrates healthy developer activity and forward-thinking infrastructure work. If successful, it could eventually lead to faster and lighter wallet experiences for everyday users. KASPA's development trajectory is focused on a dual path, enhancing core network reliability now, while building advanced programmability for the future. The imminent Kaspa Hard Fork is the pivotal event that could significantly expand KASPA's utility and developer appeal. And also, let's talk about technical indicators and price prediction. KASPA is currently positioned in a prolonged consolidation phase, following a significant corrective move from its previous highs, indicating that the market is still searching for a clear directional bias. Price action remains below key dynamic resistance levels, such as the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, which suggests that the broader trend is still technically bearish, although the intensity of selling pressure has noticeably decreased. This type of structure is often associated with accumulation, where larger market participants gradually build positions over time without causing sharp price spikes. The key support zone is located in the 0.028 to 0.032 range, which has been tested multiple times and continues to hold, reinforcing its importance as a demand area. Each retest of this level has resulted in diminishing downside momentum, which may indicate seller exhaustion. On the upside, the primary resistance zone lies between 0.050 and 0.060, where previous rallies have been rejected. A confirmed breakout above this range, especially on increased volume, would signal a potential shift in market structure and could open the path toward higher targets such as 0.080 and eventually 0.10. From an indicator perspective, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is fluctuating around the neutral 40 to 50 zone, reflecting indecision and lack of strong momentum in either direction. This aligns with the current sideways price action. The MACD remains relatively flat, with no strong bullish or bearish divergence, further confirming that the asset is in a compression phase. Volume analysis shows a gradual decline during the consolidation, which is typical before a significant breakout, as volatility contracts and liquidity builds up. Market structure on higher time frames suggests that KASPA is forming a base after a distribution phase, and this base could serve as a foundation for a future expansion move. However, confirmation is critical. Without a decisive break above resistance, the asset remains vulnerable to further downside or extended ranging conditions. If the support at 0.03 fails to hold, the next logical downside targets would be in the 0.020 to 0.025 region, where historical liquidity clusters exist. Fundamentally, upcoming developments such as protocol upgrades and ecosystem expansion may act as catalysts that align with a technical breakout, increasing the probability of a sustained upward move. However, technical confirmation must come first, as markets often price in expectations ahead of actual events. In terms of probability, the short-term outlook remains neutral to slightly bearish due to the prevailing trend structure, while the mid to long-term outlook leans cautiously bullish, provided that accumulation continues and resistance levels are eventually broken. A successful breakout scenario could result in a strong impulsive move, potentially delivering multi-fold returns. But this scenario requires both technical confirmation and favorable macro conditions within the broader cryptocurrency market. Do you think KAS will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer: this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on KAS in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every